What do we need to be happier? In today's world, many people believe that to be happier, they need to be richer and thinner. With more wealth, they can buy the things that will make them happy. And if they are thinner, they can attract people more to them, and that too they believe will make them happy. While our wealth and our weight do matter for our social status and our overall health, these don't determine our happiness as much as do some other factors. Two among those are how wise we are and how kind we are. If we are wiser, then we will make better decisions. We'll see things in a more holistic framework, and we will put whatever wealth and looks we have to good use. Otherwise, wealth and looks can be easily misused to hurt others and to hurt ourselves too. The Bhagavad Gita states that the search for pleasure is not as straightforward as it seems. Often, the things that promise pleasure end up delivering trouble, as the Gita 18:38 warns. Yattadag vishayendriya sanyogad yattadagre amritopamam pariname vishamiva tatsukham raja samsmritam. Conversely, the things that seem to be trouble end up giving pleasure. Tadagre vishamiva pariname amritopamam tatsukham satvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam. 18:38 in the Gita. So it's important for us to understand the true nature of things and to use wealth properly. So for our possessions to be put to good use, we may get possessions with wealth, but to put those possessions to good use, we need wisdom. Similarly, by our looks, we may create a good first impressions by which we can initiate relationships. But to maintain those relationships, we need to connect sustainably with people, and that depends not so much on our looks as on our heart. If we are kinder to others, then we can be more understanding whenever they commit mistakes or fall short of our expectations. We can be more encouraging and appreciative when they do something good for us. And overall, we can grow in our relationships better beyond the initial hormonal attraction that might come because of a slim body and associate good looks. Indeed, when we are happier and wiser, we can use our possessions better and we can make our relationships deeper. And that is the way to enduring happiness. To summarize, to be happier, we don't need to be richer or thinner as much as we need to be wiser and kinder.